Dogecoin has been all the rage since its commencement. The one inquiry that has crossed all personalities is, will Doge reach $1? With the unpredictability and vacillations in the crypto market, there are chances that Doge will come to the most anticipated $1 mark. Want to know how high the Doge token can arrive at this really long period? Peruse this video to be aware. History of Dogecoin, which isolates Dogecoin from most other altcoins in the digital currency market, is expansion as opposed to deflationary cryptographic money. Bitcoin and numerous other digital forms of money are figured out to the point that they have a hard stock cap of monetary standards. Dogecoin is a decentralized and totally secure organization. It is intended to be a cordial, more congenial type of digital currency that could arrive at clients put off by the chilly intricacy of Bitcoin. Indeed, even its name is taken from a famous web image. Dogecoin's cost has tremendous potential. With the sort of notoriety rising, Dogecoin's presence is tremendous contrasted with different contenders. Utilizing Dogecoin needs no extraordinary preparation. Cordial to utilize, it carries genuine worth to its clients. Stowing your Dogecoin is currently simple. Thus, utilization of Dogecoin implies power in the possession of the client. The standard of any driving coin is the fame and fan wave that twirls around them. Similar holds at the cost of Doge, as the reception rate for Dogecoin is very high. This computerized cash's dynamic and steadfast worth wins around an emanation of the whole Dogecoin people group that places their confidence in it. The Doge wallet is a carefully facilitated capacity that will provide your resources with the most significant level of safety that anyone could hope to find. The clients who own Dogecoin in their wallet can involve it for Dogecoin loaning. They need to give subtleties, wallet address, and open a record there. Dogecoin specialized investigation. Notwithstanding the historical backdrop of tempests and typhoons in the digital currency market, there is a fair future. Notwithstanding, nothing can be sure in the digital money space, and that is the point at which our digital currency cost figure comes into the image. Dogecoin's all-out market cap is exchanging around $9,843,449,946 and is presently the 9th greatest computerized cash on the planet. Presently, the cost of Dogecoin is around 7 cents, with an exchanging volume of $390,538,221. The ongoing inventory is at $132,670,764,300 Doge, while the complete flowing stockpile is $132,670,764,300. The general digital currency market capitalization has denoted a massive change this year, including the Dogecoin market cap. After the Doge's cost arrived at its ATH, it denoted a gigantic fall over the long haul. Be that as it may, the ongoing Dogecoin cost developments have denoted a respectable recuperation as of late. The Doge's cost per the quick opposition with no obstacles. It attempted to outperform the vital opposition of 9 cents, however fizzled. Afterward, because of some benefit booking exercises, the Dogecoin value began to exchange underneath the opposition. Specialized pointers propose that the image coin needs a purchaser's help to start the positive excursion once more. Will Doge support the ascent? Everything started when Elon Musk fixed a $44 billion arrangement to assume control over Twitter. When this news was out, the Dogecoin cost flooded nearly by 100%. It is on the grounds that Elon Musk has consistently upheld Dogecoin and considered it a group's coin on different events. Elon Musk's non-stop help of tolerating Dogecoin as an installment for products and institutional reception has been valuable to the coin. Numerous standard financial backers accept that Elon Musk will coordinate Doge into the working of Twitter, and without a doubt, financial backer opinion seeing the equivalent became more grounded as Musk reported that clients would need to purchase a $8 month-to-month membership for an authority blue tick. As per the investigation, Doge's cost will maintain on the off chance that the hypotheses materialize. Dogecoin came to 11 cents, just with hypotheses. It will become one of the most outstanding crypto resources. Taking into account the ongoing business sector capitalization, it very well may be a wise speculation. Dogecoin could be one of only a handful of exceptional cryptographic forms of money equipped for being utilized as a useful cash as opposed to just as a speculative resource. As per the Dogecoin value forecasts of the wallet financial backer, Dogecoin may not be a wise venture, and they anticipate the Dogecoin cost to be around $0 2023. Conversely, the specialized examination and Dogecoin value forecast of Advanced Coin Cost recommend that the coin will go up to 16 cents in 2023. Taking a gander at the ongoing buyer market of Dogecoin, the resource might contact another unsurpassed high in the forthcoming years. Indeed, even specialists of Changelly likewise anticipate that the exchanging cost of Dogecoin will reach $1.57 by 2030. Dogecoin Expectation 2023. According to the market feeling and future cost activity, the greatest expected Doge cost may be around 15 cents, though the normal cost may be 11 cents, and the base cost may be 7 cents in light of our cost forecast. Dogecoin cost could have tracked down extraordinary help in a brief period after the ascent of this current year. Dogecoin Expectations 2024. According to the Doge Value Expectation and Specialized Examination, the typical cost may be 22 cents in 2024. Simultaneously, Dogecoin's cost might arrive at a limit of 28 cents and at least 15 cents. Dogecoin Value Forecast 2025. According to our Dogecoin cost expectation for 2025, the coin could have a greatest and least market cost of around 39 cents and 25 cents. In correlation, the typical cost may be around 32 cents toward the finish of 2025. Dogecoin Value Forecast 2026. As indicated by the Dogecoin cost expectation, it might hit a greatest cost of 45 cents and the base exchanging cost of around 30 cents for the year 2026. Simultaneously, the typical exchanging worth might be around 38 cents. A gigantic meeting is normal in Dogecoin's cost consistently. Dogecoin Value Expectation 2027. As per our Doge cost expectation, it is normal that Dogecoin be valued at 51 cents, which likewise is the greatest worth, while the base incentive for a similar period might be around 35 cents, going against the norm. The typical cost of Dogecoin perhaps 43 cents. Dogecoin Value Forecast 2028. Indeed, even in the exceptionally unpredictable crypto market, an image coin like Dogecoin might keep on demonstrating its worth even in the bear market. According to the Dogecoin cost forecasts, the coin could arrive at the greatest worth of 57 cents, with a base cost of 40 cents. Simultaneously, the typical cost can be 49 cents. Dogecoin Value Expectation 2029. Our Doge cost expectation uncovers that the Dogecoin cost will exchange between 47 cents to 63 cents, where the previous is the least conceivable cost while the last option is the most elevated conceivable cost for 2029, while the typical cost for the year perhaps 55 cents. Dogecoin Value Expectation 2030. In light of our Dogecoin cost forecast 2030, we anticipate that the token should arrive at the most extreme and least costs of 71 cents and 55 cents. The typical cost might be around 63 cents, with a respectable rate change for the year 2030. The market capitalization might have risen fundamentally constantly 2030. My expectation is that hashtag Dogecoin will ultimately become coordinated with Twitter sooner rather than later here and there. This will consequently acquaint more than 200 million clients with hashtag DOG, giving them motivation to involve it and enhancing the cryptographic money overall. It can't be disregarded the way that Dogecoin offers the upside of being a decent inflationary money, which makes it inseparable from genuine government-issued money. This novel trademark permits Dogecoin clients not to accumulate unmistakable resources and bank on greater liquidity, since they effectively exchange and utilize their monetary standards. With huge load of cash driving the crypto market wave and improvements, Dogecoin's future might see an impressive flood in its ongoing cost. The Dogecoin cost is supposed to hit new highs later on. In any case, our speculation guidance is that financial backers should be cautious while putting resources into image coins like Dogecoin. Will Dogecoin